สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. My name is Tanya. I'm from Thailand. Today we are going to cook glass noodle salad. The glass noodle salad is very fresh, very healthy, and it's good for our diet. I cook it all the time at home, and sometimes I just make a big bowl of it and then put into the fridge. And anytime when I'm hungry, I want to have something light, I just take it out and there I have it for my meal. So we need glass noodle, some shrimp, some peanut, a little bit of garlic, ginger, some chili, brown sugar, fish sauce, lime, onion, carrot, spring onion, celery. The fish sauce is, like the name is said, is from fish and it smells fishy. Unless you are a vegetarian, you don't want to consume anything from animal, then you use light soy sauce instead. But I myself prefer this smell from the fish sauce. So first of all, we have to soak the glass noodle in the water. It can be cold water, warm water, just to make it soft like this. And then cook them a little bit in the hot water, not too long, otherwise it becomes mushy or too soft. So that's what I'm going to do right now. The water is boiling and then you put glass noodle in and you see when it starts to be soft like that is enough. So I will take it out from the water. So try to drain it. First you have to do is to cut the noodle, otherwise it will be too long and it's going to be difficult to eat. So I normally just cut half with the scissors. The next thing that you have to do is to put lime juice immediately, otherwise the noodle will be too sticky and stick together. I would use a little bit of sugar immediately so the sugar can melt it into the noodle. And then I mix noodle with sugar and lime juice. Either buy the frozen one or the fresh shrimp, cook it in the hot water. So I add shrimp into the noodle. I will add chili. Normally we put a lot of chili in the Thai kitchen because we eat hot. You just cut into the small pieces. Add chili. And now for the color of the nice salad, I would add a little bit of carrot. Also spring onion. This is the most important thing for this salad because it gives the flavor, gives the taste, the smell, and make you feel fresh. And can use the normal celery instead of Asian celery. And then I use a little bit of garlic crunch, just a little bit. Just myself and my family recipe that we add ginger into this noodle salad. I can cut and then chop. Now the fish sauce. That's a lot of herb and spice. That is also healthy. I like to add tomato to have it also more like a salad. And also to add the color. Now let's mix together. I add peanut at the end, and then you leave the rest just to garnish them on top of the plate. Let's put into the plate my nice colorful salad. And then we finish with peanut on top. Now we have it, the nicely fresh glass noodle salad. If you enjoy this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ